Hey students, how are you? Hope you are fine and enjoying study. I am Kinjal Sonchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel StudyZone. This is the 15th tutorial of probability, chapter 15th of standard 9th. In last session, we discussed about sum 2 from exercise 15.1, and in this session, we will discuss about next means sum 3. So, don't waste the time, go to the session. Today's topics are basic formula of probability, exercise 15.1, and in that third sum. So starting with the first basic formula. Probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes, which is already known. So go to the next. It's exercise 15.1 and third question is in a particular section of class 9. 40 students were asked about the months of their birth and the following graph was prepared for data so obtained means total outcomes 40. Got it? And they find the probability that a student of the class was born in August. Means you should check first of all this one is graph, right? So over here July then August and there are 6 students, right? So starting the answer here total students are 40 means total outcomes 40 and born in August 6 means possible outcomes 6. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 6 divided by 40 equals to 2 3s are 6, 2 into 2 into 10 means 40, right? 2 2s are 4, 4 into 10 means 40. 2 cut. So answer is 3 divided by 20 and ultimately 0.15. Got it? If you have any doubt about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.